See the damages. The ceilings are really broken. That was the first earthquake I ever experienced, like a big one. And just look at the damages. Like I ran immediately out from my unit. See the damages. The ceilings are really broken. It's like the ceilings are like broken everywhere, given you see here. That's crazy, that's crazy. The scary part is there might be aftershocks, like, so we need to be cautious about them. Yeah, thank you, Lord. The most important thing is that everyone here in this building is safe and the building didn't collapse. So yeah, let's just pray.